Ramie is an ingredient with multiple functions. It is endowed out with heat-clearing, detoxifying, anti-inflammatory, hemostatic, and tocolytic effects. Beyond that, it excels in many adjuvant therapies. Ramie can be used to treat dysentery women with red and white vaginal discharge, hematuria and restless fetal movement and red leak during pregnancy, knife-wound shrapnel wound erysipelas prolapse. In addition, Ramie can also be used externally for bruises, treatment of uterine prolapse and carbuncle. For different symptoms, we have specific dietary prescriptions for your reference. If you are experiencing watery diarrhea or dysentery, you can dry the Ramie leaves and grind them finely, then take it with cold boiled water. Take 3 grams each time, halve for children 2 to 3 times a day. For hematuria or women's leukorrhea, it is recommended to decoct 30 to 60 grams of Ramie root in water and take it twice a day after removing the drugs. Pregnant women with abdominal pain, restless fetal movement, or red leakage during pregnancy, 30 grams of Ramie root can be decocted to extract fake juice. Take 2 to 3 times a day after removing residue. Ramie not only has the effect of medicinal food, but also brings you delicious enjoyment. It can be subtly incorporated into various dishes, allows you to enjoy the health benefits while tasting delicious food. Try Ramie and make it the star of your table. Bring you endless health benefits. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about medicinal miracle. Ramie let you taste the perfect combination of health and curative effect.